Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a P.O. box unboxing and I wanted to share with you some of the things that were sent to my P.O. box. I'm going to show you the stuff that was sent to me by this Flamingo shop, and I will of course link all of their information down below. They sent me this adorable little tray where you could put your rings or your little jewelry pieces. I love it so much. I actually really love flamingos, especially this shade of pink. This is probably my favorite type of flamingo, so I was super excited about it. This is such a cute little Christmas gift, I think. So like I said, I will include all of the seller's information down below. They also sent me this here, which I'm thinking this is just like gonna match this room perfectly, so I was really excited about it. I am assuming you could put a candle in here. This is super high quality, so I was really excited about it. It's got like the gold details. It is glass. It is absolutely stunning and I love it so much, so I was super excited about this as well. They also have like nails and stuff. So this is called Wonderful Nail Collection 99, and it's got little stars and the moon and stuff like that. And they have really cute things on the website. Here's another box, the Flamingo shop. They sent this little clock. It's a little alarm clock and I thought that was so cute. I haven't had an alarm clock in, like an actual alarm clock, in forever. But this one is in pink. Looks like this. Look at it. It is so cute. They have such girly items on there. And it's like white. Like the numbers are white. And it does ring like the old school. This is super retro and I'm in love with it. I just think that is so darling. I'll probably end up putting it in here because it just goes with the whole theme of my room. And I did not choose any of these items. These were just sent to me and I just think they're stinking adorable. They're so pretty. It's like a marble effect, if you know what I mean. And it's like a collapsible little pin, which I think is super handy. Like if you travel a lot, you could use this I don't know, to put like beauty supplies or your clothes, and then you could just fold it up when you have to go back home or whatever. So I think that is super cute. This little sponge, or I think this is to clean your brushes. So it's got little ridges right here, and it's called a brush egg. It's purple. It's really pretty and I'm excited to test this out to see how well it'll clean the brushes. Next is this package from Juno Co. So it looks like this. It's like holographic. Got my gingerbread, a little gingerbread man, scissors. These are kind of similar to the Beauty Blender. I'm so excited about these because this was actually really interesting to me. Like the whole concept. So I am probably going to show you how they work on like my X Sparkle Mist series. Like I want to do a whole in-depth review on this. It's a velvet sponge. I don't know if you can see. It's so interesting. Okay, velvet sponge. Oh, it's called a microfiber velvet sponge. Now it is pretty soft and it's not even wet, so I'm curious to know how it performs wet and everything like that. They did send me 2 of them, so I may want to do like a giveaway on this sponge. That way one of you can test it out yourself. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a whole in-depth review on this product, the microfiber velvet sponge, and then I'll probably do a giveaway on this second one. So make sure you're subscribed, make sure you stay tuned for that video. I'll probably end up doing that during my X Sparklemas series, so stay tuned. And I'm super excited to test this out. This is such a unique little concept, so excited about that. Next, they did send me some dresses by the company Grace Karen. This is a beautiful quality dress. So I wanted to show you the different patterns they had. So they have this one here with, it's like black and it's got purple flowers. This is very Betsy Johnson vibes. As you can see, I've been really into Betsy Johnson lately. This kind of reminds me of something Graveyard Girl would wear. Don't you think? I think Bunny would really love these dresses. So I love them. Like, I think this would be so cute. So it's got the purple roses and it's just like a black little flowy dress. They're so beautiful. This quality is amazing. And it just says Grace Karen on the little tag. This one here is like a lemon pattern. The next one is like a floral pattern as well. This is like a white one. It's got like little cherries right here and like little floral patterns. I think these dresses are beautiful. I think these would be nice to wear for like a little event, or to do like a photo shoot or something like that. I think those would be so cute. This is the lemon one. Some do come with little like belts and stuff. So this is the lemon one. How stinking adorable is this dress? I love this so much. A little too much. I just think they're so pretty. I love that. This is like some thick quality too, so super nice, high quality little dresses. So I wanted to share those with you, of course. I wanted to read a card out to you guys. I just think it's so cute. It looks like this. I hope I can read this out loud. This is by Marie. Sparkle on forever. Hope all is well with you and your family. Have been watching your Dollar Tree haul videos for quite some time and would love to be your subby friend. Besides shopping at the Dollar Tree, I also watch Dollar Tree haul videos. During one of my visits, I came across the Mermaid Tales bath bombs. Not quite sure if you had mentioned if you use bath bombs. Love how organized your craft planner corner looks. I'm on the hunt for the pen cups other YouTubers have been hauling, not having any luck. Do you do plan with me videos as well? Little smiley face to Marie. I hope I was able to read that out loud. I'm not sure. I haven't read your cards out loud in a really long time, and I want to get back into doing that. So I don't use bath bombs. I'm really not really a bath taker. Like, I'm not a huge bath taker. And I don't do any plan with me videos, but a lot of you have been requesting that I start doing that. So maybe that's something that I'll end up doing in the near future, because a lot of you have requested that I start doing that. So that is so sweet. Thank you so much, Marie, for your sweet card. It really means a lot when you guys send me cards, and I'm so sorry if I'm not always able to show this on camera. I need to get in the habit of trying to do it more often, but I truly appreciate you guys. I hope you know that already. I hope that you guys know how much you guys mean to me. It really makes my day when I see your cards in the mail. It really does make a difference, and I just want to thank you guys for just your random acts of kindness. They're greatly appreciated. I really do appreciate it. Okay, the next item is this huge box. I'm not sure what it is or what's in here. It's kind of got Leilani's slime all over it. So that's what's on the package, if you're wondering. But I wanted to open this on camera. I don't know what it is. this huge box sitting in my P.O. box, and I was like, what is it? I'm trying not to injure myself here. It's an air purifier by So. I'll go ahead and link their information down below. I'm super excited about this. I've been wanting an air purifier for so long. So this is going to be so perfect. So this is what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. It's a little air purifier, and it's got the little settings here. Okay, so I think is what it's called. This is amazing. I'm so excited about this. Thank you so much to everyone that sent me goodies in my P.O. box. Honestly, I am speechless, absolutely speechless, and I am so grateful, and I'm so sorry if I don't say it enough, but I am super appreciative to all the companies, all the brands, all of my subscribers who think of me and who send me these amazing items. I am so overwhelmed with gratitude and appreciation, and I wouldn't be able to live this if it weren't for you guys that are watching. So I want to thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for sticking with me, continuing to support me, for sharing my videos with your friends and your family. Like, it all means so much more than you think. And when I sit here making these videos and opening all of these packages and all of this stuff, it really puts my mind into perspective, and I'm just so lucky and so grateful, so thankful. So thank you very much. Before I start crying, I'm gonna go now. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future P.O. box unboxings or any future content. Also, don't forget to check out my Instagram over at Sparkle on Forever. Also, don't forget I will be including all of their information down below, so check them out if you are interested, or if there was something that you were like really wanting to know a little bit more about. All of their information will be down below. If you saw something that you liked and you want to get your hands on, thank you so much again, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye guys.